So for today, I am going to teach you on how to create a Steam account in your mobile device. So basically, go to your web browser, but in this case, I am using iOS, so I will open the Safari and search for the Steam. Once you search for the Steam, you just have to click on the Steam URL. Once you are in, you will see the three lines located at the top left corner of your screen. Once you clicked on that, you will see a bunch of options on the leftmost corner. Click the login button. Once you click on that, you will redirect to the sign in page. But in this case, we don't have an account, so we are going to create. Just scroll it down for you to able to find the create an account button. You just have to click on that and Steam will ask for your email address, and to confirm your address, you just retype it and complete the verification captcha and toggle the checkbox right here for you to able to click the continue. And take note that the email address that you will get or the email address that you will input right here and right here as well is already existing. Why? Because Steam will actually send an OTP or verification on your email. So you better put an existing email account right there.